Alright guys, it's Robin here from Thompson Leisure. Today we're just going to have a look at this MALIBU T460. We'll take a run around the outside, show you the features, and then we'll jump in. But starting off, there's loads of storage in this van. Little lockers like this all around, which is great. Massive garage, high single layout, so this offers you that big garage space. Handy to have. On top we've got a full awning, a standard with your awning light there. On the back we've got a reverse camera. It's a big wide angle camera, so it's really handy. It's very useful. The big gas bottles, and then another storage locker here. So oodles of space. We'll just jump inside. Right, so moving inside here, we've got multi-function wheel, electric handbrake down here. Really good. 9-speed automatic on a Fiat with your big screen. You've got aircon here, USB, 12-volt cigarette plug, and then another USB down the bottom there. So lovely cabin, nice place to be when you're out in the open road. Right, so in the living area here, we've got 2 belts, so it makes it a 4 belt. You've a drop down table here, so this makes a berth in your sort of lounge area. So sleeps 3. Up here you've got control panel, Truma heating system, as well as sort of your storage over the top then. You've loads and loads of room. Get a look at one of these. So acres of space there. Yeah, and then as well as that, we've got underfloor storage as well. Again, just loads and loads of room for whatever you're bringing home, as well as a small shoe rack or whatever you want it to be. But some really nice features. Hello. So as you can see, the van splits up fairly well. It's nice if you're guests, you know, it splits up that sort of area. But moving into the kitchen here, you've got a 3-gas hob, a combined oven and grill below that. That runs off gas, obviously. And then for your sink here, good big sink. And then with the cover, there's actually a chopping board on the inside, which can slot into there. So it's really well thought out. You've got a big fridge here, which opens on both sides. It's very handy. Put all your bits and pieces in there with a freezer box on the top. So nice room, big fridge there. It's automatic as well, so running off the most efficient source. So here we have a wraparound shower door just on a slider. That just sort of sections everything off, stops things from getting soaked, which is a great job, nice design. And then yeah, big roomy bathroom there. Sort of standard setup with the toilet. But yeah, great space. All right guys, so moving on to the bedroom here, we've got the 2 high singles layout. Nice big roomy beds, lovely cushioning. The padding they use in these is really great with your slats there. And then the nice feature in this van, this actually pulls out and goes to a double. So we'll do a wee transition here. Ready, 3, 2, 1. All right, so here we have it. I hope I've no holes in socks. The double bed layout, this pulls out, this ladder section pulls out, and then there's a wee insert there for this cushion to make this a massive double bed. So really usable space for whenever you want to have a wee cuddle. Okay, so hanging space up the back. You've got a wee bit more storage in here for shoes and t-shirts and whatever you feel like. In this side, we've got liftable space, so access from the top, and also then the door opens for access from there too. So, and then we've also got some more hanging space here, so with more shelf space. So yeah, there's loads of room in this van. It's very usable with all your cupboards then over the top of the bedroom. There's USB points in the back as well. All right folks, so there you have it, the MALIBU T460. If you're looking at any more information on it, don't be afraid to give me a shout on 02892 444 394, or pop me an email on robin@thompsonleisure.com. Thanks very much.